Ever wondered why, despite the rise of mainstream health advice, global health problems seem to multiply rather than diminish? Could it be that the prevalent health directives are missing the mark? Let's dive into this conundrum. Mainstream health advice is everywhere. It's in the newspapers, on television, and even on the food packaging at your local supermarket. It's the voice telling you to opt for low-fat options, choose lean proteins, and replace butter with vegetable oils. It's the mantra of calorie restriction and the push for more cardiovascular exercise. It's the promise that following these rules will lead to better health and longevity. But what if this advice, accepted by many as gospel, is flawed? What if the health challenges we face today are, in part, a result of these very recommendations? Enter the world of alternative health advice. This school of thought encourages a different approach. It advocates for full-fat options, arguing that our bodies need fat for hormone production, brain function, and cellular health. It suggests that lean proteins aren't necessarily better, especially when they're stripped of their natural fats. It questions the health benefits of vegetable oils, which are often heavily processed and high in omega-6 fatty acids that can contribute to inflammation. And what about calorie restriction? Alternative health advice proposes a different perspective. It argues that the quality of the calories consumed matters more than the quantity. It's not just about how much you eat, it's about what you eat. Mainstream and alternative health advice often seem to be at odds with each other, creating a confusing landscape for those seeking to improve their health. But by asking questions and critically evaluating the information presented, it's possible to navigate this tricky terrain. To summarize, mainstream health advice often promotes low-fat options, lean proteins, vegetable oils, and calorie restriction. On the other hand, alternative health advice argues for the benefits of full-fat foods, the importance of the quality of proteins, the potential harm of processed vegetable oils, and the significance of the quality of calories over quantity. It's important to remember that health is complex and individual. What works for one person might not work for another. Ultimately, the best health advice is that which encourages you to listen to your body, nourish it with whole foods, and engage in physical activity that you enjoy. Remember, health isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, and it's okay to question the status quo. After all, it's your health, and you're the one who knows your body best.